Good luck. Oh my God, Joey, look. Hi, you're so pretty. Come here. Maybe with your hand, because your hand has orange. Anda, Maria.
Oh, she was flying. Don't fly! You
She
hate
wants to be
us?
our friend. Look.
Hi!
Come. Looks like
Here.
oranges.
She wants to be touched. I know. Very slow. You. No. You know, just to enjoy like a little bit.
I'm gonna get a pretty one too. I'm gonna get a thick one, like this one. Let me just get this.
Look at the house, Jovi. It has what's that? Tennis.
Yeah, tennis balls. Imagine what's inside of that house.
Imagine.
Wait, Emma.
Mom.
Oh, I'm grateful for every glimmer I notice, for every small moment of beauty, for every instance of joy in my day. Glimmers are proof that life is good. Glimmers are proof that I'm blessed. Glimmers are my favorite thing.